Hi everyone. Today we're going to see about the installation and prerequisite required for installing and running the SonarQube tool. As a prerequisite, we need a Windows OS, Java at least a 6 version, followed by we need two softwares. One is SonarQube and another one is SonarQube Runner. Okay, let's see how we're going to proceed further. As I said, we need two softwares. We'll go and download one by one. You can find the links here. One is for SonarQube, another one is for SonarQube Runner. First I'm going to download for SonarQube. Copy the link here. You can see the latest version here as SonarQube 6.1. Let's download it. While it's getting downloaded, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the SonarQube batch. Look, the SonarQube batch will start running, and let the SonarQube, it will allocate a port for it. So we're gonna use our local host as a server, and we're gonna use a port for enabling the sonar and see the results of it. And why we're gonna use Sonar Runner in the sense, Sonar Runner, it will SonarQube run it and it will post that. And using the Sonar Runner, we can able to see the content, how many lines of code executed and stuff. So Sonar Runner will run the code, and Sonar Batch is a thing it's a platform on which SonarQube runs, and it will post the issues on top of it. We have downloaded the SonarQube and we have extracted. Let's see how we're gonna install Sonar Runner and run through it. Before that, we're gonna download Sonar Runner. We have the download link here. We're going to download directly the zip folder. So currently I have both SonarQube and Sonar Runner. Let's see how we're going to install it. Currently we're going to do the running on to the SonarQube batch we're going to run. So in bin folder we can see a batch file, start sonar. I'm using Windows 32-bit, so I'm going into it and starting the start sonar.batch file. So started launching the JVM. So it will create a workspace for us, it will create a workspace for SonarQube. So after it creates, we can able to see launch the SonarQube in localhost, and it will give a dedicated port for us, and we can able to access it. I'm copying the location, workspace location, from where the SonarQube starts running. So we will start in the command prompt to get the SonarQube quality run for this code. I'm copying the location and navigating to the link. So from here, I'm going to launch the command prompt. Before this, we need to write a sonar properties file. So that should have a configuration for what code we want to run, and for what language we're going to run, and what is the location of the workspace. We used to write it in Eclipse. Let's do that one. For making the SonarQube runner working for our code, we need to write a sonar project properties. So there's a property file. Let's create a property file. We have the property file created, and we need to configure for the workspace for running SonarQube in our code. These are the parameters for Sonar project properties. Let's configure for our project. So our project name is CFX. I'm mentioning it here, and this is a sample name. I'm writing in Java project. Here you can mention some name which represent our project, and I'm naming this as version 1.0, and the source file where it's need to pick that is src, and language I'm going to use Java, and this is encoding. We usually use UTF encoding, so I'm mentioning it here. Actually, this is the name which will get displayed in SonarQube. So we can able to click the link and we can able to see the logs. We'll see it once after we're running the SonarQube. I'm saving the file, so we can configure the properties and save. Let's do a code quality check for this project. So we need to go to the properties and get the location where the code resides. So this is the location, copy it and go into the location. So we got into this location and we are doing a command prompt launch for this application. So we have launched the command prompt for this application, and we're gonna do the SonarQube runner for this. For running the SonarQube runner, we need to go to the location and get the path of the SonarQube runner and run the SonarQube runner batch. So this is the location where the SonarQube runner batch is there. I'm copying it and pasting it here. So I have the SonarQube bin location and I need a runner file. I have it. I'm gonna give an enter. I'm gonna run the code quality for our code. So it started running. It is detecting the SonarQube 6.1, and whatever the configuration we have written, it took from the Sonar project above this, which we have it in the workplace. Started running one by one. It found 4 files indexed, and it says the 4 files was analyzed and execution is success, and time taken is 28 seconds. You can see analysis is successful. You can browse this location of the dashboard and to get this SonarQube CFX. You can remember here org.sonarcube CFX we have configured in the SonarQube properties, sonar properties.project. So you can come here. You can see org.sonarcube CFX. This was run, and this is the file project name you can able to launch once you go into the URL. Let me go into the URL, localhost 9000. So the SonarQube is launching. So here the SonarQube runs the code for us. You can see this Java CFX is the project name we have configured. So by clicking on it, you can able to see the issues, bugs, code smells, and how much lines of code was executed and what is the issues. I'm going to click on it. Here you can see surprisingly 0 bugs, since it's a code which has no bugs, and we have written in for a small project. We didn't have any bugs here. So we have some code smells, 6 code smells. We'll see what is code smells. Code smells is like not a bug. It's a kind of very minor issues, and which cannot be come under the bugs category. So we can go into that one, and based on the feasibility for our project we can fix. And this is the depth ratio, like depth 52 minutes. 52 minutes will take for fixing the 6 codes. Sonar has the estimation things for each and every issue, so it will calculate and do some timelines for us. No duplication of code is there. Any duplication blocks? No. So this may not be a good example for you to showcase here, since as a code quality thing, SonarQube we are running, we need some bugs here, right? So I'll do one thing. I will go for some other project where we can have some multiple files code quality check-ins. We may spot some bugs over there. So I will do the example. We'll catch up in the next class. I'll cover up the rest of the things, like how we see issues, how we fix the issues, how we set the quality profiles, quality gates, what are the measures for Java. Let's see on these in the next tutorial.